Pu'u'Ma'eli'eli. I don't know how to pronounce the Hawaiian trail name. We are 30 of us Saturday hiking, and these trails are pretty muddy and slippery. So this is me and my friend. Hello. We are all different age groups, you can see. I joined this hike as part of my walking exercises. You know, my right leg is paralyzed, so I have to continue exercising. There are so many routes out here. One has to have caution while hiking this trail. You can easily slip and injure yourself. And that's my hiking leader with her dog. Did she do number one? Okay, good. Kiko. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So we already crossed the slippery spot. Thank you. Oh, we did it.
That's the worst spot.
Yeah. Because I asked Fred if it's doable for me. He said, yes, you can do it unless it rains heavy. It will be. So this is good.
I put my spikes in my backpack.
Yeah. How do you pronounce this hike? Pu'u'Ma'eli'eli hiking trail. That's a Hawaiian name. Okay. Ele. Okay.
Like the when they say Hawaii?
Yeah, Hawaii. Okay.
Hawaii.
E. Oh, not E. I was saying Hawaii. Hawaii. Okay.
I think she was busy. She had a bunch of stuff going on.
E. Okay.
Yeah, it is really not an A.
Yeah. Hawaii.
My bad. I'm totally wrong.
Hey, we learn.
More like Kaneoe, because people say Kaneoe.
Yeah. I would say Kanio'ehe. Is that?
What?
We have hikers from different age groups. Some are in their 60s, some are in their 70s.
It's Pu'u'Ma'eli'eli. Pu'u'Ma'eli'eli.
Oh, Pu'u'Ma'eli'eli.
Ele.
Trails. Okay.
So,
Thank you. Thank you.
people want to say Eli.
Yeah.
It's not an I.
Okay. Ele. Okay.
Like P.E. Koi.
Yeah, P.E. Koi. Yes.
P.I. P.E.
P.E. Yeah.
Yeah. P.E. Koi.
Are there any strawberry gawas along this route?
There's supposed to be a ton of them, but it's whether or not they're blooming right now. And this is all strawberry.
Strawberry gawa. I can smell it. That's why I'm asking. Last year you had me pick at that Waimanalo Falls in a Ziploc bag. I'll never forget that. Yeah. I like this hike. It's shaded hike. Whew.
I was really surprised so many people came.
That's good. You know, we all have fun in this group. Non-judgmental, you know.
Quite a few of them from last week. Remember the RWB group?
Yeah, are they here?
Church today, but there's a couple of repeats from that group.
That's good. I like that.
I'm anxious to try to see if one of the guys wants to become an admin. If he, I'm going to run it by him.
Yeah,
See what he says. I told him I'd talk to him later today about it.
yeah.
So, yeah.
So those RW people, they work for the veterans?
Yeah.
Okay. That's very commendable.
Yeah. I think so.
Because many veterans, they feel left out and neglected, after having,
About and you start socializing.
yeah. I mean, they fought for this country. Nobody is appreciating them. Some are in wheelchairs. Some have mental issues
Something
from
I
the
noticed
trauma.
The other day,